Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. Are you ready for it? What am I talking about? It appears this morning, actually started last night, that this market, cryptocurrencies, gold and silver, are all about to sell off. And to me, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look, you can sit back here and conjure up all kinds of things in your head, but what has changed here? Who's running the show? Central banks. Are the central banks about to, I don't know, stop doing what they're doing? How about no? So to me, this a pan sell-off means everything is selling off. And I'm referring to the stock market right now. Stock futures are down sharply. Silver's taking a hit, gold is down slightly, and cryptocurrencies are getting hit hard. Great! Fantastic! This whole thing is stupid anyway, and if you don't look at this as opportunity, you are wrong. You're absolutely wrong. Again, what has changed here? Nothing. Markets need to give back, people. They need to give back. And cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. You know what I'm going to do? Okay. First of all, let me start off with this. The cryptocurrency sell-off started last night. I did not buy last night. I was sleeping. I will be adding to every single one of my cryptocurrency positions today. Dash is now lower than my initial buy. Does that bother me at all? How about no? How about I will be adding to that position, all my positions. And if they drop further, I will add again, okay? People, until central banks stop what they are doing, and they're not going to, they're going to increase, okay? Buying assets across the board, diluting their respective fiat currencies that they're issuing to the world. Nothing's going to change my perspective. Nothing. I will be buying all the dips in the stock market. I will be buying all the dips with regard to gold and silver. I will be buying all the dips with regard to cryptocurrencies. So again, you could sit back here and freeze and be afraid. I guarantee you, some of the comments here, oh, look at cryptos, they're crashing. Duh. Really? How many times have we seen this before, and how many times have they got bought up and hit new all-time highs? That's what's going to happen down the line here with regard to cryptos, the stock market, gold and silver, period, the end. Period, the freaking end. All right, so that's my stance on this. I'm sure a lot of you were waiting to hear, and you know how I operate. I am a buy the dip guy. In this environment where central banks are doing what they're doing right now with no end in sight, none, zero, you got to be on the right side of this. And the right side of this is to be buying every single dip across the board. That's it. So this pan sell-off to me, I love it. I can't tell. Look, I'm about to spray my shorts. That's how excited I am about this, okay? I will be adding to core positions today, positions I hold where I'm collecting dividends on. I mean, that's what I'm doing. And I'm not going to stop doing it. It's worked for me for a long time, and it will continue to work as long as central banks continue to work what they're doing right now. Do what they are doing. And they're not going to stop despite what has come out of the mouth of Janet Yellen yesterday, Fed President Kaplan. No. Absolute zero. So in summary right now, we got a stock market set for some losses here. Right at the open, cryptocurrencies are under a lot of pressure. Started last night. Gold and silver is under pressure. Pan sell-off. Pan sell-off to me means pan opportunity. You understand? I'm not going to change. So don't expect Greg to change his perspective. The only way I'm going to with regard to this market is if the Fed literally decides to taper, which they're not going to, or if they regulate cryptocurrencies. If you believe that these institutions that are holding cryptocurrencies are all of a sudden going to change their perspective, they're going to start dumping it, no, you're wrong there too. They're going to buy it. They're going to buy the dips just like I am. You understand? I hope you get it. I really, really do. Anyway, the dollar index or the Dixie is still lower than 90. Knee-jerk higher right now. Dollar's going down. Dollar, if you want to worry about a currency, you should be worrying about the dollar if you're stuck in it. If you're stuck in the dollar and you're still a dollar bull, you're going to lose. I'm telling you right now, you've been losing and you're going to continue to lose. And I hate that because I'm trying to help every single one of you. Crude oil right now, under pressure. And that's going to hit this market too. So good. Good. Do you think crude is going to stay down? Do you really think that? How about no there too? Look, you know me. You know how I operate. I will not ever let an opportunity pass me by, and I hope you don't let it pass you by either here. Always do your own research, people. But when you do, step back. Look at the bigger picture. When you see a pan sell-off like this, where everything is selling off, what has changed? We are living in a twisted, distorted market where nothing makes sense. Nothing at all. So you think this sell-off right now, oh, this makes sense to me because we're going to crash right now? Duh. No, how about no there too? Not going to happen. Nothing made sense here, and it's going to continue in this freak show manner until it doesn't. Until it doesn't, and I frankly don't care. You all know that. If that means I got to open up new credit spreads, take advantage of the market dropping, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me at all. But again, I am a buy the dip guy, and that will not change as long as central banks continue to buy it all, continue to devalue their currency, continue to run their inflation machines, which they're all doing. They're all doing it. They're issuing debt through one door, buying it through another door. That is an inflation machine, and they're not going to stop running it. They're going to continue to buy mortgage-backed securities, the Federal Reserve, creating artificial demand with regard to real estate. Housing is in a hyper bubble. You want to worry about something? Worry about yourself if you bought a house recently because you bought a house in a hyper bubble. I want you to think about that too. All right, look, people, that's it. Very important video. Please share it. Get it out there. And let's keep an eye on this market. Let's see what happens over the next, I don't know, let's give it a month. And let's see where cryptos are at, where the market is at. It's all going to be higher. All right, this guy here loves you a lot. See you later.